Welcome back to another Excel tutorial. Today I want to explore how to use the COUNTBLANK function. The COUNTBLANK function in Microsoft Excel is used specifically to count the number of empty cells within a specified range. This function is particularly useful when you need to understand the completeness of data in a dataset, identify missing values, or simply quantify the number of cells that have not been filled in. The COUNTBLANK function belongs to the group of statistical functions within Excel and counts the number of empty cells in a specified range of cells. The syntax starts by COUNTBLANK and then you fill in the range that you want to check. And range is the range of cells in which you want to count the number of blank cells. So in our data right here, we can use the COUNTBLANK function, but as there is no blank field right now, it will be 0 for all our data. So I can show you, we start by an equal sign followed by COUNTBLANK, open parenthesis, and then we check our range, we close the parenthesis again, we hit enter, and okay, this is in format custom. I will go to general and I will drag this to the right, and as you can see, we'll get to 0 for all our columns because there's no empty cell. If I delete the 6 right now, we get to 1 because we now have a blank cell right here. If I insert the 6 again, it will dynamically change to 0 again, as now we have no blank cell again. But there are also other use cases. Of course, you can identify missing entries with the COUNTBLANK function, but you can also use this function for data cleaning or for conditional formatting. If you want to get a rule to highlight rows or cells in a range that are empty, you can use COUNTBLANK to help users to visually identify where data is incomplete. Or if you want to assess form submission completeness, then you can, for all forms collected in an Excel sheet and each column representing a different field, you can use COUNTBLANK to quickly assess how many fields have been left blank across all submissions. Or in a project management tracker, so for project task completion, you can use COUNTBLANK to count how many tasks have not yet been started, assuming that an empty cell indicates that the task hasn't started yet. Or you can use COUNTBLANK for automating error checks. So you see there are a lot of use cases where you can use COUNTBLANK. And that's basically it about the COUNTBLANK function. It's pretty simple yet useful. And if you like this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up and see you in the next video.